Hey guys, so this is how my wig started out, and it's natural black. This is a custom wig I made with a 5x5 closure and 3 natural black bundles, 18, 20, 22. And here we are into the coloring process. I'm just going to saturate. This is my second time around coloring because it didn't come out like I wanted it to the first time. So we're just going to go in and make it more bold, brighter. Okay, y'all, this is where it gets funny. I'm making my way around to the front. My darn bobblehead tripod, watch. Bloop. Okay, so this is how the wig was at first, and now you're about to see the final result. Hey guys, sorry I'm late. I know it's Wig Out Wednesday, but I still got you covered. So last week, this is what y'all decided on. You know what we're gonna call this color? Ariel, Little Mermaid. I think it's spot on, right? I don't know if y'all can see. So let me tell y'all what I'm going through. Ooh, did you catch the light? Did you catch the light? Okay. I did. I seen it. Hold up. There it went. Girl. Okay. So, real quick, number one, my ring light broke. So, we're dealing with that. It's propped up in the chair. Number two, the mannequin head was acting a donkey. Number three, which is really number one, my iPhone is going out of memory, so everything that could stop us tried, but we still here. So I'm gonna tell you how I did the color, because last week the live kept bumping me off for no reason. IG is tripping. So what you need to do is go to Sally's, okay? They have the perfect color. For people who are not professional colorists and don't know the color wheel, this, that, and the other, you still need to learn, but this right here gets you done, okay? So last week, this is what I was using. HiColor by L'Oreal. You get this from Sally's, and you have to check every week because it just flies off the shelf. All the colors, they like the reds, and anytime you see me with the red, this is what I got, is this, okay? But let me tell you the difference. So last week what I was doing, I was going to do the bottom part of this dark and the top part really light, which is what I wanted here, okay? This is the color I was going for on the top, but the dark was too dark, and I was like, why is it not taking like the top is, like bold? So what happened is, you have to pay attention to the box. This is the box, HiColor. You see it says reds, and then it says for dark hair only, and this is the sizzling copper. It didn't really it really gives you that tone, but it doesn't give you that pigment, that high, you know what I'm talking about, that bold color, like what you want, like this, okay? So this is what this is if you don't want to go too bold with it, okay? It's sizzling copper. And you could see it really good, but it just wasn't bold like I wanted, like we chose in the picture. So I dropped it. This is what you're going for when you want the bold. These are the ones that you choose. They are two different types. So this one says HiColor Hilights, and if you read it, it'll say 1 step high lift. You see that in the bottom? I'm holding my phone because, like I told you, my holder is broke. The ring light broke. So if you can read it, it says HiColor lift. 1 step high lift, and that's all you do is add the developer to it, and this actually lifts your hair and deposits the color at the same time, okay? But make sure you get the one that says high lift. You see it says HiColor Hilights. That's the one you want when you want the bold colors. This one does not say HiColor Hilights. It just says HiColor, and it doesn't say 1 step high lift. If you read the bottom, it says multi-level lift in 1 step, no brassiness. But it doesn't say that 1 step high lift down there, like, at the bottom, right? Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. This is so bootleg, but I just wanted you, so And you can color your real hair with this. You can color your bundles with this. This is what I used last week. So when I saw it didn't take like I wanted to, I went back over all of it with the copper again. And I used 40 Developer. I don't recommend doing that a lot. If you're going to do it like twice, I don't recommend it. But you know, with the bundles or your real hair, because you don't want to break the bonds that it does have, and you don't want to like damage the integrity of your bundles, okay? But you can, you know, I say this, it is better than bleaching. So that's it. That's y'all's quick Wig Out Wednesday. I did record a little bit of how I got these waves, and I'm gonna post it later, okay? I love y'all. Be good. Pray for me.